Can we download pictures from TikTok without Watermark? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can download pictures from TikTok without Watermark or not. So let's just go ahead and find out. So for that, first thing is opening up a TikTok, and once you are there, you can go ahead and locate up the TikTok in which there are pictures that you may want to download. For example, I have selected this TikTok. So once you do that, in this share icon, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, you should be finding save photo option. So you can go ahead and click on it first, and when you do that, you can select the photos that you want to save. For example, I have selected this. You can just go ahead and tap on save, and it will start downloading onto your onto your device. So you can go ahead and check out it on your device. For example, it has been downloaded. And along with that, we can find this watermark here. So in order to download pictures from TikTok without a watermark, there is no specifically directly way from TikTok that allows us. So the only way is doing this. Otherwise, you can use screenshots instead. You can go ahead and locate up the video. You can pinch it like this and screenshot. And when you do that, you can just crop it out, and that is it. So for now, this is only the method you can apply up if you want to download the photo from TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.